How to change or add payment method on GameStop. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to change or add payment method on GameStop. To add or change your payment method on GameStop, you have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, open up your browser, type in gamestop.com and log in. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and press on the profile from the top right, and you could go to order section from the pop-up menu. When you type in that information, you'll be taken to the next field where you can see this sort of page. Here you could also see this option as payment. You could go and click on the payment on the left hand side bar, and here you could add the payment method. If you already have a payment method, then you could replace it with a new one. Now enter in your card information, all of these, and then you'll click on the save button and you'll have changed or added payment method on GameStop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.